Alright, let's dive into the world of Rocket Coin. But before we get to the price, let me ask you this: what does value truly mean in the digital age? Is it just a number on a screen, or is it something more? Especially when we are talking about cryptocurrency. Because when we talk about the price of a cryptocurrency like Rocket Coin, we're not just pulling a figure out of thin air. It's a complex dance of technology, community, and market forces. So, let's break it down. First, to make sure we are all on the same page, it is important to understand that when people refer to Rocket Coin, there can be some ambiguity. There are a couple of crypto assets that may be called that. Therefore, it is important to be specific. In this response, I will touch on the token that is related to the Rocket Pool protocol, which is RPL. Now, let's talk about Rocket Pool, RPL. Rocket Pool is a decentralized Ethereum staking protocol. This means it allows users to participate in Ethereum's proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, helping to secure the network and, in return, earn rewards. RPL is the native token of the Rocket Pool network. So, how do we determine the price of RPL? Well, it's a few things. Market demand and supply. Like any other asset, the price of RPL is driven by the fundamental economic principles of supply and demand. If more people want to buy RPL than sell it, the price goes up, and vice versa. Factors that influence demand include the overall health and sentiment of the cryptocurrency market, the perceived value and utility of the Rocket Pool protocol, the growth of Ethereum staking, news events related to the Rocket Pool project, Ethereum's performance. Since Rocket Pool is closely tied to Ethereum, the price of ETH significantly impacts RPL. If Ethereum's price rises, it often creates positive momentum for RPL. Staking rewards and protocol utility. The rewards earned by staking ETH through Rocket Pool and the overall utility of the protocol play a crucial role. If the protocol is performing well and generating attractive returns, it increases demand for RPL. Cryptocurrency exchange listings. Where the token is listed, and the volume of those exchanges, will affect the price. Market sentiment. Social media, news articles, and general investor sentiment can all influence the price of RPL. Fear and greed play a significant role in the cryptocurrency market. To find the most up-to-date price of RPL, I recommend checking these resources. CoinGecko. This website provides real-time price data, charts, and historical information for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including RPL. Coinbase. Coinbase is another excellent resource for checking cryptocurrency prices. They also provide conversion tools. Other cryptocurrency exchanges. If you're interested in trading RPL, you can also check the prices on the cryptocurrency exchanges where it's listed. When looking at the price, remember that it can fluctuate rapidly. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and prices can change significantly within short periods. Also, it is very important to differentiate between different tokens that may have similar names. For example, there are many smaller projects that may have a token with the word rocket in the name. Therefore, when looking for the price, be sure to search for Rocket Pool, RPL. In summary, the price of Rocket Pool's RPL token is a dynamic figure, influenced by a multitude of factors. It is essential to stay informed and use reliable sources to track its value. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.